I'm Belond24. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel for more information on Ground Zero.
Yeah, bonsoir. No, I believe this country is bilingual. My talk. For the bilingual way. Yes. I salute everybody. He been a soldier under the Republic. Me, I've been a soldier under the Republic, but I don't come out for the soldier work for the Republic. I don't fight for Boko Haram. I don't see my colleague, they don't die plenty. My colleague, they don't die plenty for them. I decide to make I run with my arms. I can't join these separatist fighters for this ground. I dey laugh any my colleague them and they still dey inside this struggle. They don't call we Odeshi, but still come for that boys them. The boys them they see Kiwi as will be the key them. Yes, the boys and the Kiwi. And wait to make me a run. My colleagues them a key for Banso site. He caught some civilians ahead. He killed them, cut them, give them for so one man for day. He go sell them for them for Fumban. Bring them money. As he said, this one na nonsense. Never wait till they out for. I don't join my boys them because I be English speaking man. Any Anglophone, easy day with a Republic them for fighting a soldier. If you no resign them, if you no run with your weapon, bring them for a brothers them. We then join fight this fight. Na foolish man. And I go see talk am. I go talk am very well. I no get plenty talk for talk. I go talk am very yes. Wetin I go talk now. Na palava the school where they go on. Any man he send the pikin for school. The man no like his life and he no like that pikin in life. Go catch one of that pikin you need for talk where your party and your mama. Go catch them. Or they kill them for set an example. We dey na inside war. Like the La Republic, they force all kind things. The school, you know, go. Me in particular, I get military tactics. I go use them back to my colleagues. Them. Now wait till that, I go do them. I dey send this thing for all sides. Me then send them for all sides. They circulate them everywhere. Me as I dey talk so. I been in army, I don't run. I been in army, me, I don't run. Me, my colleague, then say I'm too, run, can't join the brothers. Must struggle for this fight. This fight, so at the time they say this fight, the finish. At the time this fight is the finish. Any my brother say, if he say, see where I'm in uniform, he do la Republic. Me no say, well, we don't fight, the fight will succeed. Now the last time they no go enter again for inside this ground. This very ground for the southwest and the northwest. We don't suffer. Pobia the full way or they die. At the top, my colleague they die plenty, but they hide them. See, they don't transfer them for this side. For their homes and for their families. If you see amount of the La Republic soldier, they don't kill them plenty. The amount of them is plenty. If they don't kill them, they bury them. If their family no know. If they get sense, better me them come join our brothers. No fight the fight. Better you thief your materials, you thief your weapon, you run come. Join the boys. Even for southwest or the northwest, be the fight strong. And at the last time this was the fight, I advise my people, No school, e no go. Any school we go, they go find the teachers there. They go for that school, find even the family for that teacher there, will perish all them. No mercy, no day. Now me, I don't talk am. I don't run this work. I dey na Ajudan. I dey run this work from my one straight to the inner straight for me for get money. And very soon I for go reach captain. If I take gallon again, I for go captain. But I still run am. Now money I dey get am, but I go come for Ground Zero way. I no go get the money, but we go succeed to win the fight. I go get the money pass the one for the Republic. So I dey advise all my colleagues them, they still dey for military work concerning the Republic. Me then take note. Me then left the work. Can't join their brothers and for push. Me then join to fight. Now it's that I go talk. Because if they look am, for example, Cameroon government, they don't borrow soldier, they all side, they come, the boys they still kill them. And then they feel say that backup now waiting, day, and they go still kill them. Because they go into our family, they don't catch two of my family, kill them, say, you're picking the army. If you can't fight your brothers them again and the mammies them, they kill them. So any picking, any English picking, he gets sense. Me he left the work, run with a gun, can't gam, me then fight. Teach how they operate gun for the one day they don't know I'm very well. Come join this fight, me they fight. As a short talk that day, I go talk for now. Me they hear. And I send me this my thing that they talk and so all around the way me then see am. We don't suffer. We don't wait UN, wait America, they elect on turn. Like public they do kind thing they go put and say English speaking people don't do it. The time it don't end.